I mean, if you want to keep it, you can, but I'm willing to take it in this condition.
Okay.
So 200 total?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Dustin here. I just came across this Facebook Marketplace post. It's been listed for about 8 minutes. I messaged the lady and she says she still has it. So let's strap the GoPro on and go pick it up. When we get back to the house, I'll show you exactly what I got in fuller detail and go over the profits. All right, let's go. Hello. Check it all out if you don't mind real quick.
No, you're fine. And I'm not going to sell the Wii because I just got it back from a friend and it is in horrible shape. So, but that's like brand new. We got the Quest, the VR.
Oh, okay.
And that my son, that's all they play now.
Wasn't there more games in the listing?
No, there's 3. Wait, no. There was more games.
You only got my phone and I'll see. Oh, okay, you got them? Cool.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, no, you're fine. No big deal. Do you know if is there a screen protector on here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any juice on it?
Yeah, I don't play with these things, so. Okay. And these are like the Fortnite handles, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take this. Bad thing is, though, I think how much? This was 160, right? Is that what we said? I should have enough.
Yes.
Change. So you're gonna keep the Wii then?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I can't rightfully sell it to you because it's in bad shape.
I don't care, honestly. I buy it's filthy. I buy and sell stuff for a living, so I've seen everything, literally.
Well, this, I mean, it has a bunch of attachments, I guess, like the steering wheel, the gun, the tennis racket,
I mean, if you want to keep it, you can, but I'm willing to take it in this condition.
Okay.
So 200 total?
Yes.
Let's see here.
I can't do the VR stuff. I tried.
I've never messed with one. I've heard a lot of cool things about them now. Well, I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, thanks.
So these are some of the items I picked up today. We have the Switch bundle here, and we have a Wii bundle over here. Starting with the Switch bundle, I grabbed this. She originally wanted, I think, 200 just for the Switch bundle. I offered her 160, and she said that was okay. And then she mentioned she had this Nintendo Wii. She said she'd take $40 for it. Honestly, it's really not worth all that much, but I'm probably going to piece some stuff out and then, you know, bundle some other stuff together. So we'll see. The Switch bundle here, it comes with the Fortnite Joy-Cons, which I'm probably going to keep and put on my Switch. And then I have some gray Joy-Cons I'll put on here. I have a buyer for the gray Joy-Con Switch tomorrow. I believe they're going to pay $200, which is what I paid for everything. So everything else will be pure profit after I sell this. We have NBA 2K Playgrounds 2. We have ARMS. Sonic Mania. The Legend of Zelda. The new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. And Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Some of these games, they're worth $30 to $40 each. And I'll put completed listings on the screen for every one of these. Definitely going to part these out. I normally play Grand Theft Auto on my Switch, and I already have Mario Kart. It does come with an off-brand dock and some cables. But the buyer that I'm talking to already knows all that. So hopefully that deal will work out. Coming over here to the Switch. It comes with 2 controllers, 3 nunchucks. And these off-brand accessories here, I'll probably just pitch these, honestly, because, I mean, they're just not that great. So this is the GameCube-compatible Wii. It does have a broken door here, but that's not a big deal. I normally sell the Wii console only for $40 or $50 free shipping. So with this and then a couple other parts, I should be well into the profits. I mean, just from the Switch games alone, I'll be into the profit. So we have We Play Again, Wii Sports. This game here is probably the best game. I'll probably list this for around 20 or so, free shipping. Then we have a few other games here. Nothing spectacular, so I'll probably bundle these games up and just get what I can get for them. I'll probably list this separately. And then, like I said, toss these. Might list 2 controllers and 2 nunchucks together. And then the cables together in a bundle. Then the third nunchuck I might just throw in with these 2. We'll see. I'll put a few completed listings up, a few scenarios of how I might do it, see how much money I can make. I'm definitely not going to lose money. Like I said, as soon as I sell this Switch for $200, I get all my money back, and no matter what I make, it's all profit. I paid up a little bit, but video games, I mean, we all know they sell pretty fast, so that's one reason why I wasn't worried about it. So hopefully I turn a decent profit on this stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of short, but like I said, that just came across my screen, so I figured I'd make a little video about it. I'll probably at least make $100, $150 in profit, and this stuff will sell pretty quickly, so that's another reason why I paid up for it. That, and I knew I could sell that Switch locally for $200, just the Switch, so I can set on the rest for a little bit and get, you know, full value for it. And I should make some pretty good money on it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.